Hey, we didn't do anything today. Somebody's got their music bumping. I'm going to get some street tacos. The campsite, they have street taco night tonight, so it's Taco Tuesday. They got karaoke at 8 o'clock tonight too. I might go over there for that. But
we should probably go see that because that's probably gonna be some drunk karaoke.
yeah, we're gonna go hang out for karaoke too. But Yolanda's did her toenail, so she can't go nowhere. And she's got her wine. Where's your wine at? All right, she got her wine over there. And I'm gonna go get some street tacos. So I'll see you over there. Peace out. All right, we're here in the common area. It's this is a place where all of the amenities are. There's a fitness center over here. I'm probably gonna try to check that out tomorrow. There is a bar. There is a common area where you can just kind of hang out, where there's chairs, swings where you can sit and chill. There's a couple of pools. I think there's an adult pool, another pool. There is video games and bowling. There's a whole little common area here where you can hang out. And tonight they have trivia. Sometimes they'll have karaoke here. So we're hoping before we leave, there'll be karaoke. We can come and hang out. And it's just a cool place to chill out in the campground that has full amenities. Like there's a restaurant here where you get all different kinds of food. They had Taco Tuesday here today. So they had street tacos. So I had street tacos, and here comes a trivia guy. He's back. So I'm gonna go finish playing trivia, and I will check you out later. Peace out. I am on my way to the fitness center here at Sun Outdoors Myrtle Beach Campground. I was going to go to Planet Fitness, but I went over there and they have everything you need. They had a bunch of treadmills, exercise bikes. They have weights, free weights, dumbbells, and they have a bunch of different equipment. So I'm going to go over here. Hopefully there's not a bunch of people over there. Because making sure I don't have a flat. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get in a workout before we head over to Broadway on the beach, and I'll see you over at the fitness center. Peace out. That was fun. That was refreshing. Got my full workout in. Normally I'd go to Planet Fitness, but they have everything you need in there. Lat pull downs, regular old shoulder press, chest press, leg machines, treadmills, bikes, a little bit of everything in there that you needed to get a full workout. Full set of dumbbells, mirrors, they got mats. There's all kinds of stuff in there. So just checked it out. The fitness center at Sun Outdoors Myrtle Beach. Very cool.
One shot. Let's go, let's go. You know that I won't lie like this. I don't wanna hide everything, like say that we're just friends, but no friends don't kiss. I feel my body giving in. You want my heart, baby, you say it don't faze me, but oh no, that's not how I think. You make my mind hazy, I
We just left New South Brewing Company, the OG Charleston Brewery. They got a food truck out here. That's the loud noise. It's called Beach Bites. And I like coming here. Try to come here every time we come out to support the local original craft brewery in the town. They make great beer. Their beer, Dirty Myrtle, is on tap everywhere around the city, even at the campground. It's quite delicious. I had a red grapefruit version of it as well, so it's good. Good stuff.
Good stuff.
All right, peace out. We're done here. This is one of our favorite breweries, Grand Strain Brewing Company. It's one of the newer ones, but one of the many that are here in Myrtle Beach now. We went to Southern, what's the other one called? New South Brewing Company. We went to Tidal Creek. We went to Black Drum Brewing Company, but they don't brew beer, they just sell it. And there's a bunch of other ones we didn't go to, but we like this place. Cool place, and nothing much to say about it except they make great beer. Come and check them out. Oh yeah, they got food too. She got this is the watermelon
Goza.
She's got the watermelon Goza sour beer, and I got the Old School IPA. Very delicious. Peace out.